Welcome to InShape Indiana's online program, Ready, Set, Walk. I'm here today at the Athletic Annex with co-owner Matt Ebersole. Matt, I want to talk to you a little bit about the form for walking. Walking is my choice of exercise, but I know that a lot of times we get out there and we're not really thinking about what we're doing, we just want to get it done. So could you give us a little bit of advice on proper form for walking?
Yes, there's a couple of common mechanical problems that a lot of walkers experience that we can correct very easily, mostly by just being aware of them. One of the biggest is walkers tend to lean a little bit too much, and that puts a lot of stress on the lower back. By bringing the hips forward a little bit and standing a little taller as one walks, that reduces the stress quite a bit, and that helps transfer power better through arm carriage from the upper body to lower body and take a lot of the stress off the lower back.
That's good advice, and I know that I'm guilty of that sometimes too, especially walking during the winter. I think I was trying to hide from the elements and I was all hunched down and not standing up straight. But posture is also good to keep your breathing going.
Yes.
Another thing that I have problems with, and I'm sure other people do too, is we get tension in our neck because we tend to scrunch up sometimes when we're walking.
Yes, as those shoulders come up, all that tension up in the shoulders and neck can make the walking uncomfortable. Just by being aware of that and every once in a while reminding yourself to relax the shoulders, the arms can move a little bit freer and a little bit more comfortably. Also, try not to cross midline of the body by too much, because if you're walking in this fashion, you're sending a lot of energy there and to there, and we're trying to go that direction.
Forward.
Keeping that nice and relaxed and comfortable will help transfer power from the upper body to the lower body and allow the legs to do their thing.
I think a lot of people don't even think that there is a form to walking because we all know how to walk, but it is important to focus on what you're doing when you're exercising.
Yes. And when you go from walking to get from point A to point B to walking for exercise, it does matter.
I think the main thing we want to remember here is to pay attention when you're walking to your form and incorporate these tips into your daily walk. Thanks for joining us today, and join us again next week for more online advice with Ready, Set, Walk.